Hey guys, it's your girl Carrie, and over the past several weeks I have taken you with me into various Goodwills, showing you what's worth buying, but I haven't showed you what I actually hauled. So today I'm going to be sharing with you the few items that I collected from various Goodwills over the past couple of weeks. So let's get started. So what's been fueling all of these frequent Goodwill trips? Well, if you've been with me for a while, you know my girl Melanie over at Living Luxuriously for Less. We do an annual gift exchange, and for the past several years I've been giving her gifts of inventory for her event planning business, and right now she says she's looking to build on her collections of colored glasses and colored goblets. So I was happy to grab that. I'll be spending a lot of time pulling off stickers and washing tons of glasses for my girl Melanie. One of the items that I am most excited about in this haul is this little caddy here. I think it would be perfect for a coffee bar station or breakfast station. You guys know I switch up my breakfast station every year to suit the needs of my family, and I think this would be great. This is kind of like having your own little Starbucks station at home. You can put your Splendas, the different types of sugars, stirring straws. In the bottom they have little compartments. You can put your coffees, teas. I just think this is really functional and really nice. Now it has the little label tags on there in the copper color. You guys know my kitchen has copper accents, and I'm assuming this family used it for like a drinking station because it says drinks, hot, and then it has matches over here. So I'm going to clean this up, give it a, makeover, and it'll be easy to switch out the knobs. I'm thinking, maybe I could put these knobs, on there. I don't know if they'll be a little too big or not, but I got these knobs on clearance at Hobby Lobby, and they were 99 cents. So I love to pick up, little knobs because you never know when you want to change things out. And I'll share with you my Hobby Lobby knob clearance haul in a future video. But I think these would look really great, especially if I kept the, the cardboard paper and that copper tag the way it is. This blends in really nicely, and that goes with my kitchen really nicely. And wait for it, this piece was only $5.99. What a score. Next up are these super cute chairs, these little club looking like chairs. They're place card holders, so if you see the little slit there, you can put in the person's name and sit it at their table setting. You could also use these as food markers, so if you had set up a buffet, you can put the names of the different foods in the chairs. These I think would make a great addition to a table if you're doing like a book club get together. I think of a comfy chair curling up reading a good book, so I think these would be great for a book club get together tablescape. These are also really cute for a manly tablescape, like you're just kind of chilling, sitting in the cigar lounge or something like that. So these are really cute, and I thought they were adorable. These were $2.99, and they are from Pottery Barn. This next item instantly caught my eye. I knew exactly what it was when I saw it, and this piece here is actually a salt cellar, and it's missing the buckets here. It's basically a dog carrying a pail, and there's supposed to be two pails here as salt cellars, and this is from the Bunny Williams collection for Ballards, and this has been out for several years, and it normally retails for, I want to say, if I'm not mistaken, around 70 to 80 bucks. I tried to clean it up a bit because it's silver plated, and sometimes when it's been cleaned a lot with a lot of the silver cleaning agents, you can strip the silver plate off in areas and it won't get as shiny as it once was, like when it was new. You'll see all the imperfections and dents and dings, But as you know, I loved aged and patinaed and antique looking pieces. So to me, the little age wear on this is okay. It doesn't have to be shiny, bright silver, especially since it's more of a manly item. I can see using this in a manly tablescape or something like that. I can instantly probably find something to fit within these holes to represent salt cellars. So I have these crystal cut little salt cellars here. These fit snug right in there, and that kind of gives it a little extra sparkle. And I like the way you just mix old and new. And now I have something of my own. So you can put a little bit of salt in there, one side, pepper in the other side, and I have a ton of salt cellar spoons. I collect all different types of salt cellars, so I'll just take a spoon from a different salt cellar, stick it in there, and you're good to go. This kind of reminds me of like that Ralph Lauren polo type hunting lodge type look. Another cute item I picked up is this really cute mustard ceramic pot. And as you know, you're not technically supposed to put ketchup and mustard directly in the bottle on a table. You're supposed to transfer it to a dish. It looks more elegant, and those are the etiquette rules. So when I saw this, I thought this was really cute. Hadn't seen it before, and this would be really cute for a picnic table. And upon further investigation, I found out this is part of a set. There's a barbecue set. Let me show you the price of this first. It was $2.99. And it was $2.99, and it is part of the Williams Sonoma 2013 is when this came out, barbecue collection. So this is supposed to come with a ketchup, a mustard, a mayo, and I believe a relish in a tray. They only had the mustard pot, but that's okay because I love to mix and match and make things my own. Found this cute little tray here. This would be perfect to go on my husband's side of his this would be perfect to go on my husband's counter on his side in the bathroom. And what I plan on doing is putting those items on here that have like a metal base, because I don't like to put metal items, especially in a bathroom, because the countertop can get wet, and if you leave that metal directly on there, you can get rust on your countertops, and I want to avoid that. So his little metal display jars that he uses, I'm going to put here, and this is easy because you can just wipe it clean. It's like a resin type of material, and this was $2.99. I picked up this beautiful bracelet right here. It's kind of like an antique-y, silvery, goldish black color with the stone in the center, and you open it by squeezing in the sides to release the clasp. I think this is really, really nice. And this was $3.99. It didn't dawn on me until after I made this purchase that I guess I absolutely love or have an affinity for bangles that have the large oval stones in the center of them. I picked these up. I got these last year. I want to say they were a birthday present to myself. These were a little bit more expensive than the $3.99 price tag over here, but I absolutely love these bangles. And I got these. They weren't from a thrift store. It's like an antique market that sells both antique items and newer items, and I just love these. The next item I picked up is this beautiful, I guess you would call it, it's not an urn, but this little vessel here. It has a lid, and I picked this up because I think it would be great for my front entry foyer, where you can take the lid off, throw in your keys, throw in your things, sunglasses, anything that you need to run out of the door with. Now this is going to get a makeover because it's not you know, a color scheme that fits with my decor. So I do plan on painting this over, making it over, but I thought it was a wonderful size. I love the shape. I just really like this piece. And you guys know I'm really not a swirl girl. I don't like swirls that much, but these kind of like look like viney, leafy swirls. For some reason, this particular swirl doesn't bother me. And this is also a great piece it could look nice on a coffee table. It'll look nice on a bookcase. I just think it's a wonderful piece. And this baby here cost $10.99. And the last piece I picked up is this large, I guess it would be like a finial. And this again, this piece here is going to get a makeover, a DIY. I'm going to deconstruct it. A week or two ago, I saw this architectural piece, this really nice piece in the Chicken Salad Chick restaurant. Do you guys like that place? I like the Chicken Salad Chick. And they had this little architectural piece on the front foyer table when you walk in, and I wanted to replicate that. I wanted to make something like that. So I think this piece here would be the perfect piece for that. I would cut that part off, and then I would cut off the bottom piece and make my center arrangement. So I'm going to try to do that with this piece here, and then I'll paint it to the color that I need it to be, add some distressing techniques and such. And this was $8.99. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this small little haul, and until next time, I'm going to keep calm and carry on. Bye guys.